Assalamu alaikum everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful and easy 5-petal flower. It's beginner-friendly, works up quickly, and can be used to decorate hair clips, bags, keychains, bouquets, clothing, and many other crochet projects. So grab your yarn and hook, and let's get started. We'll begin by making a simple yarn ring as shown in the video. Next, we'll crochet single crochets into this ring. Keep working single crochets evenly around it until the ring looks nicely covered. Don't worry if your stitches aren't perfect, just try to keep them close together. Once you've covered the ring, gently pull the yarn tail to make the ring smaller if needed. Then join the last stitch with a slip stitch into the first single crochet to complete the center. Start with 3 chain stitches. These chains will give the petal some height. Into the same stitch, work several double crochets to build the body of the petal. Keep them close together so the petal looks full and rounded. After your double crochets, make 3 chain stitches again. Then slip stitch into the same stitch to finish your first petal. You can already see the flower taking shape. Now move to the next stitch with a slip stitch and repeat the same pattern. Again, make 3 chains. Work the same number of double crochets into the stitch. Make 3 chains and finish with a slip stitch in the same stitch. Repeat this process all the way around. Each petal is made exactly the same. So keep following the same steps until you have 5 beautiful petals. Take your time while making each one. Now it's time to make the petals. Try to keep the number of stitches the same so every petal looks even. As you complete the last petal, join it neatly with a slip stitch. Fasten off the yarn and pull it through to secure it. Finally, weave in all the loose ends using a yarn needle or your crochet hook. And that's it. Your cute crochet flower is now complete. You can make it in different colors and sizes depending on your yarn and hook. I hope you enjoyed this easy crochet flower tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell so you never miss my upcoming crochet tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.